Imagine on leve bien bonnet grand matin. Et pour sortir et pour voir ça. Mettre à caoutchouc plat. And then pas besoin de peine. Let me show you how to go from this to this. Underwear. To start, you're going to need a scissor jack, a manual crank, and a lug wrench. This lug wrench has a hole in it that you can put the manual crank so you can turn. This is what mine looks like. My manual crank has an extension bar to help me turn this. So first off, you're going to want to loosen your lug nuts while the car is down. I put my spare tire under the car for safety when I jack it up. Now you want to look for your jack points. Now, the RAV4 jack point is right up there in the green. You don't want to do the red or you might break it. Now, my car is very rusty, so I had to go at another sturdy point. Just follow along with your manual to find your jack points, so just look underneath your car. With my scissor jack under the car, I'm turning my manual crank clockwise. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turn it to the right and it goes higher. Now that the car is high enough, I got my lug wrench and I'm going to get off all those lugs so I can get that tire off. Now that we got that tire off, I'm going to take the new tire and put it into place and put that old tire underneath the car for safety. Now the car wasn't high enough for me to put the wheel on, so I had to jack it up some more. Now that the car is high enough, I'm going to take the wheel, I'm going to put it into place. I'll take the lugs and I'll twist them on with my hands. Then I'll use the lug wrench to tighten it. Regardez-vous. Now I'm going to go back to the crank and lower the car to the ground so I can get a better tight on those lugs. For extra security, I'm going to use that red rod that I used in the beginning of the video to tighten it, the lugs, so that my tire doesn't leave me when I'm driving. Now you want to give that tire a good shake, make sure it doesn't come off. And puis that's it! Bye-bye, guy. I want to say big up to my best friend P.I. That's my Buzz. He's the one who inspired me to do everything on my own. Let's go!